Hello everyone. Today in this video we will be studying about production of silk. In the previous one we had seen the life history of silk moth, and right now we will see that how silk is produced. So first of all we had seen that whatever the female silk moth is there, it lays egg on the leaves of mulberry tree. So for that mulberry trees are grown by the silkworm farmers, and after that silkworms are reared, and when the cocoons are collected, then they are used for making silk fiber. So this is the overall process, but we will be studying in detail that what happens exactly. So first of all, rearing of silkworms are done to obtain cocoon. So silkworms are reared to obtain cocoons. In this, whatever the eggs are stored, okay, they are sold to farmers, and after that the farmers provide them suitable conditions or temperature for hatching. It means suitable conditions and temperature is provided to the eggs for hatching. Next, the larva comes out of it, and the silkworms feed on mulberry tree leaves for 25 to 30 days. After that, the silkworm start to spin cocoons. They are ready to spin cocoons, and within this process they stop eating. After 25 to 30 days they stop eating and they get ready to spin cocoons. In this, one more thing is there, that the silkworms enclose themselves completely inside the silken cocoons in 2 or 3 days. Okay, now next, the second one, the processing of cocoons. Now cocoons are ready. Now the cocoons are processed to obtain silk fibers. So cocoons are collected and they are placed in hot water. When they are placed in hot water, silk fibers separate out from them. Next, whatever the silk fiber, this process of taking out of silk fibers from cocoons and using it as a silk is known as reeling. The long silk fibers are obtained by unwinding the threads from cocoons, and this process of taking out silk fibers from the cocoons for use as a silk is called as reeling. And this reeling process is done in special machines which unwind the fibers of silk from cocoons. Next, these silk fibers are converted into silk cloth. Whatever the silk fibers are which are obtained from cocoons, they are spun or twisted to form silk threads which are called as silk yarn. And then the silk yarn is then woven on looms machines into silk cloth by the weavers. So this is the whole process for the production of silk. Thank you everyone.